Yo, what up, YouTube? Welcome back to Eyes on Screen, and today we're coming with another busy buzzer banger. Yes, sir. This time we're coming with a crazy energy, guys. Crazy vibe, crazy energy. This is Big Zulu featuring Shri Mantombazane Mtulise. Yeah, let's see Mtulise. What's really going on? Yeah. But other than that, guys, hey, we on fire. Let's go. Let's go. Let's just go. Let's just go. Yo, guys, this guy is deep online. So he said there's nothing deep, like painful, like falling in love with when people are falling in love together, like lovers, you know? So when I'm crying, when they're crying also means I'm crying. Or when I'm crying also they're crying. Yeah, that's how I'm feeling. I feel like if it's wrong you can comment down below. Just let me know. There's not yo there's nothing painful than falling in love with someone who falls deeper. You know, someone who falls deeper in love. Cause when they're crying, I also cry. That's what I mean. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Okay. Nah, this song is crazy. Nah. Big Zulu went hard on this. He chose the right person for this song. I won't lie. So it's like you must not make your partner that really loves you. Don't make them cry, yabo. Don't make them cry, cause that is your die hard, yabo. No matter what's happened, you always go through shit together, yabo. So it's your partner. No matter what, you're gonna make it through, yabo. So don't make her cry. Don't make your other partner cry. That's what he's talking about. Step though. Step.
uthi umntana omuntu ugivaphile kwezothando noma isifiso sakhe wayethi uzothola umshado
uthi umntana womuntu give up othando. So they said the person who was in love, yeah, they gave up on love, like they gave up with love, yabo. Yeah, they gave up with love. They had hope or good see they're gonna just get married, yabo. They had hope that they were gonna get married. Bro, this is crazy, yo. When it comes to Big Zulu, brah, he's a rapper. When it comes, yo, the Zulu rapping, bro.
uthi umntana omuntu ugivaphile kwezothando noma isifiso sakhe wayethi uzothola umshado.
His hope was to marry. So I'm sorry guys, I'm gonna just stop step by step because this guy, so his hope was to get married, or her hope was to get married, between the two. Yeah. Even in the family, even in the community, I was like a comedian. I was like a funny person, yabo, comedian, yeah.
Thebeno lami uthando ligcwele inkani mhlawumbe inkinga kimi noma mhlawumbe inkinga ikuwe
Maybe the problem is by me or the problem is by her. Okay, shit.
nangikwenze konke kodwa kaze kwalunga khumbula masihlangana ngangiyikho konke kuwe
So me, I did everything and nothing happened. And when I met up with this person, I was everything to them. I was everything to him or her. But between the two partners that just meet, let's go.
namhlanje mayebuya amadala kumele ngiwaqule sengaphenduka isigubhu mayengishaya ngikhala kamnandi
So now, since they changed the problems, now it becomes to me like I'm the problem. End of the day. This is deep, bro. So if they hit you, that the stick sounds good. You know when some of us guys we like abusive type people. So now the person you fall in love with, when you're giving them the stick, you're hitting them, they end up feeling like it's a way of falling in love. That's what he's trying to say. It's the way of falling in love. You know what I mean? Let's go.
sengahlala ngithukile eyokungithuka ngisayiphatha ungixosha phakathi namabili hathi akasangithande phuma emthonjweni enjabula
So this person always swear, the other partner swearing, fighting. So this is, guys, this is the song of two people that fall in love and things are just not working out when they used to work out before. You know what I mean? Yeah, let's go.
njabule ngakangishaya ngangithi mangikhala engekho zongithulisa mina ngilikhonele nyongo abekho abangikhulisa abekho abangibonisa indlela abekho abangikhomba
Hey, this guy's hard. There's no one show me the way. There's no one that's made me grow up in life. You know what I mean? So in this life, I'm all by myself, just growing up, raising myself, and I got people that are abusing me. End of the day. Yes.
isifiso sakhe wayethi uzothola umshado ngisho emphakathini ngase ngiphenduka ihlazo ngikundinga sithebeno lami uthando ligcwele inkani mhlawumbe inkinga kimi noma mhlawumbe inkinga ikuwe mina ngikwenze konke kodwa kaze kwalunga khumbula masihlangana ngangiyikho konke kuwe namhlanje mayebuya amadala kumele ngiwaqule sengaphenduka isigubhu mayengishaya ngikhala kamnandi sengahlala ngithukile
Oh, I've turned to a drum. I've turned to a drum. So whenever they hit me, I sound good. So the person, your partner that is hitting you up, they feel good when they're hitting you up. You feel like now because they're hitting you, it's like you're a drum now. You feel me? And guess
yokungithuka ngisayiphatha ungixosha phakathi namabili hathi akasangithande phuma emthonjweni enjabula akajabule ngakangishaya ngangithi mangikhala engekho zongithulisa
so the other partner will never be happy unless if they hit their own partner. Good see. Just have to hit them. So it sounds nice when you're beating the other partner. You know what I mean?
lisa mina ngilikhonele nyongo abekho abangikhulisa abekho abangibonisa indlela abekho abangikhombisa okwami kunzima ngishaya noma
No one showed me the way. No one made me grow up. No one. Everything I did it by myself.
ngixolisa
Hey, but yo, Big Zulu is tall. Yo, Big Zulu fan no, Big Zulu is tall. I won't lie. Big Zulu is tall. When it comes to the height, yo, he's tall, bro. Giant. This is a giant of debate. Yeah, I'm happy for the size. You know, that size there it's 100. You can just tell that size is too big. Yo, wait, let me show you. Just look at this. Big Zulu is too big, yo. It's the right size, I won't lie. I'm happy, like, yeah, the real man, a giant is there.
shoulder. Angisoze ngakuphoxa, angisoze ngakhohlwa.
I've never disappointed you. Angisaze ngakuphoxa. I've never disappointed you in your life. I'm sure you heard the first one. It's in English, guys. Come on.
Mama cry on my shoulder. Angisoze ngakuphoxa, angisoze ngakhohlwa. Soba ubambo lwami mina.
I'll never forget that I'll be your shoulder to cry on, the person that you're gonna need in your life.
Angisoze ngakrossa, nanini ungafona.
I'll never cross you. Anytime you can call me, yes. Every time you're gonna find me, no matter what happens, I'll never stop loving you, or I'll never stop, or I'll never give hope. Yeah, like that, like you will never leave hope, like you'll never stop hoping for the best for the future of your. Yes, sir. In this life, I've prayed to find someone who gonna love me, someone who gonna marry me through the bad and good. I think that's what he said. Let's hear. So God answered, and then he gave me someone who can hold my hand. I'll never fall down. Even if I'm crying, they will wipe my tears. Yes, sir. Thank you, God, for bringing love in my life, love in my heart, and bringing and making me happy. I don't know. I think. Oh yeah, you make me smile. You brought love and happiness in my life. I was already giving up, and then you brought happiness in my smile. Guys, I'm taking it back because I was explaining, so now you can hear it by yourself, guys. I'm sure you can listen to it by yourself. Okay. Let's go. Oh. Yeah. Let's go. Oh. Shit. Yeah. See, when Big Zulu comes in, Shunwankan, you just know Shunwankan, just when he comes in, he's flexing, guys. Like, just know Big Zulu comes with the flow. comes with the fire. Let's go.
uthi umntana omuntu ugive aphile kwezothando noma isifiso sakhe wayethi uzothola umshado ngisho emphakathini ngase ngiphenduka eshazo ngikundinga sithebeni olami uthando ligcwele inkaba mhlawumbe inkinga ekimi noma mhlawumbe inkinga ekude mina ngikwenze konke kodwa kaze kwalunga khumbula masihlangana ngangiyikho konke kuwe namhlanje mayebuya amacala kumele ngiwaqule sengaphenduka isigubhu mayengishaya ngikhala kamnandi sengahlala ngithukile eyokungithuka ngisayiphatha ngixosha phakathi namabili hathi akasangithande phuma emthonjweni enjabula akajabule ngakangishaya ngangithi mangikhala engekho zongithulisa mina ngilikhonele nyoka abekho abangikhulisa abekho abangibonisa indlela abekho abangikhombisa ngokwami kunzima ungishaya noma sengixolisa
Nah, Big Zulu got flows, guys. Don't take Big Zulu small like that. Big Zulu got a flow, guys. Like Big Zulu, when it comes to rap, it's him, it's Duncan. Those two, hey. When it comes to rap in Zulu, guys, respect the shit. You must respect these niggas, guys.
Angisoze ngakhoxa angisoze ngakhohlwa soba ubambo lwami mina angisoze ngakrossa nanini ungafona uzohleza ungithola mama ungangabazi thawula angisoze ngakuphosa.
Let's go.
Mina kade ngangifisa ukuthola umuntu ozongithanda ebuhleni nasebubini thola umuntu ozongishada kuba buphendulile ngithola ozongibamba ngesandla ngeke sawela phansi uzongithulisa noma ngikhala baba mina ngiyabonga ufaka ismile empilweni yami wangibuyisela uthando yinjabulo enhlizweni yami bese ngiva philo afaka ismile emlonyeni wami shalwa mina ngiyabonga injabulo emoyeni wami.
No, guys. Nkabi Nation is doing the best, and Nkabi Nation is doing the best record ever so far. They're doing the best, guys. Like they are pushing their music no matter what. That's the first thing you must know. They are pushing their music no matter what. That's it. That's Nkabi record. They're doing the most. I respect them for this. I won't lie. This is the best. If you hear the song, it's got a story. There's a story in it. You won't see no woman shaking asses there. Nah, bro. That's why I respect that Nkabi record. I won't lie. It's all about your thoughts, whatever in your head. You must know what's going on. This is a deep story. I won't lie. Like, subscribe, share, comment down below, and tell us what you think, guys. We are doing the best. We are pushing. We see a push, and no matter what we pushing, we putting the work. So I don't know what more you want. Just go and like, subscribe, comment down below, and let us what you think. And we'll see you in the next one. Yes, sir. I will see you in the next